we are going to prove this result, this theorem, not a theorem, in fact a result, that limit theta approaches to 0. When limit theta approaches to 0, sine of theta over theta would be there. We will be taking it as equal to 1. How and why? This is what we have to prove. This is a very important question for long from examination point of view. So let us get started. Here basically we will be considering a unit circle. और unit circle क्या होता है? Unit circle is a circle whose center is, of course, whose radius is 1. Now what does it mean radius is 1? Distance from center to any point is 1. So let us take a unit circle. After taking a unit circle whose center is O, right, I took 2 points A and B. I'm going to draw this thing again over here for you people. This is a unit circle, and let us say this is a point A and this is a point C, right? Definitely if they are from equal distances, like, you know, distance from O to A and O to C, these both are radii, right? Radius हैं, so definitely it would be 1, ये भी 1, ये भी 1. Anyways, so what am I going to do? I'm going to draw a tangent at A. और tangent क्या होता है? You all know कि सर्कल को जो एक लाइन, ऐसी लाइन जो सर्कल को गुजरते हुए एक ही पॉइंट पे टच करती है, दैट इज़ अ टेंजेंट लाइन. एनीवेज, नाउ दिस इज़ अ टेंजेंट लाइन पासिंग थ्रू A. Here on this point, on this tangent line, there is a point B, and I'm going to join this B towards O passing through C. This was my point, this was C, right? मैंने इन दोनों को join कर दिया. After getting this, what do we have to do? We have to draw a perpendicular from C onto this OA, and the name of this perpendicular is CD. ठीक हो गया? And third step would be, you will be joining this C to this A. Let us do the same over here. Drop a perpendicular from C on OA, perpendicular is CD, and you will be joining this C to this A, right? अब हमने क्या करना है? ये तीन चीज़ें, जो चीज़ें हमने की हैं, we are going to write it down over here. What did we do? We considered a unit circle. Consider a unit circle with center at O, and OA, which was a radius, and OC, which is a radius as well. These both would be 1. Okay, what did we do next? We drew a tangent at A. Draw a tangent line at A and join B, which is a point on what? Tangent to O, right? हमने इस B को इस O से join किया. What else did we do? Draw CD perpendicular on OA, right? That's what we did. यहाँ से हमने perpendicular draw किया था. And what else did we do? Join C to A. हमने C को इस A से भी join किया था. One more thing. इस result में there is a compulsion that the angle theta should be in radians, right? And we are going to say, okay, let us say this angle AOC is theta. Measure of angle AOC is theta, and this theta is, it should be in the first quadrant. It is an acute angle, मतलब 90 से छोटा, theta is less than 90 and greater than 0, positive acute angle. Okay, अब हमने करना क्या है? ये जो हमने फिगर बनाई है, here we will be comparing basically 3 areas. किस किस का area? First of all, we will be taking area of triangle AOC. ये जो triangle है, ये AOC. Area of triangle AOC, हम इसको compare करेंगे area of triangle, area of sector AOC से, और उसको मतलब इसको और एक और एरिया which is triangle AOB. Now let us see over here. Area of triangle AOC, area of sector AOC. What is a sector? I hope you all are familiar with this. Still I'm going to tell you. The area between ये वाला पूरा का पूरा area, this whole would be called a sector, which is the distance between, you know, this whole area जब दो रेडियाई को आप ज्वाइन करते हो और उनका जो आर्क लेंथ है, दिस होल थिंग फॉर्म्स अ सेक्टर, राइट। तो इस सेक्टर, कौन सा सेक्टर, ए ओ सी, तो इसमें ये पूरा आ जाएगा, ये वाली लाइन भी आएगी, लाइक ये शेडेड पार्ट भी ए ओ सी का हिस्सा होगा। बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट ए ओ सी ट्रायंगल, तो ये शेडेड हिस्सा वुड नॉट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, सो यू कैन सी इजीली। और द थर्ड ट्रायंगल वाज ट्रायंगल ए ओ बी, ट्रायंगल ए ओ बी, यू कैन सी दिस इज द बिगेस्ट वन। सो कैन वी सी फ्रॉम द फिगर, we can see that area of triangle AOC is less than, है ना, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर थोड़ा सा बड़ा है उससे, एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल AOB इज ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल। और एंड वी ऑल नो दैट दिस सिंबल मीन्स इफ दिस इज द लेसर वन, डेफिनेटली इट वुड हैव दिस साइड ओपन। ये जो बिग माउथ ओपन होता है ये ग्रेटर साइड की तरफ होता है। सो यू कैन सी दिस वुड बी माई इक्वेशन नंबर 1. This is the main equation basically. Now all we have to do is we will be finding value of area of triangle AOC, area of sector AOC and area of triangle AOB. ये तीन एरियाज हमने फाइंड करने हैं, इनकी वैल्यूज़ फाइंड करके वी हैव टू पुट इट इन दिस इक्वेशन। हमारा फर्स्ट हाफ इज डन, राइट। नाउ आई विल बी फाइंडिंग area of triangle AOC. Let us talk about this. Okay, what is area of triangle? We all know 1/2 base into height या base into perpendicular. So area of triangle AOC क्या होगा फिर मेरे पास? It would be 1/2 into base into height कह लें, perpendicular कह लें, whatever you may call it. Okay, what is base for AOC? AOC. Base for this AOC is, we all can see, OA side. 1/2 multiplied by OA length. This is a magnitude, इसलिए हम इसमें मॉड लगा रहे हैं। ओके, एंड हाइट, अब हमें पता चल रहा है कि वैसे तो उसकी कोई हाइट नहीं, डेफिनेटली दिस यू नो परपेंडिकुलर इज बीइंग यूज्ड हाइट फॉर दैट ट्राइंगल। सो हाइट क्या बन रही है फिर? CD, दिस लेंथ CD. This is my equation A. Why not this one? So now I'll be saying, okay, now OA हमें पता है ये हमारा क्या है, radius. So this would be 1 into CD. Now I'm going to call this as equation A. Why? Because I don't have this value of CD. CD तो ये पड़ा हुआ है. I need to find value of this CD. So I'll be taking